Good morning, class 4. Welcome to your new class, class 4. Okay, I hope you like class 4 because most probably this year you are going to come to your school, isn't it? You have to pray. We all will pray for this thing. Okay, so now you know me because I have taught you mathematics in class 3, isn't it? So you are waiting, maybe you are waiting for your books, you have booked. Okay, so today I won't start your syllabus. Okay, next week, maybe next week I'll start, but a few things I have to tell you is copy. In case school starts, you have to bring 2 copies, isn't it? So now only you buy 2 copies. One is geometry, another one is that square box one that you had used in class 3. That one, not big one, not big square, but small square. Okay, big square UKG class 1 they use it. Okay, but in class 4 you have to use that, the one you used in class 3, that one you have to use it. Okay, and a book you don't have, so today we'll just a few revisions of class 3 will do it. Okay, and I have heard some of the students are not listening to their parents. They don't want to learn, they don't want to study, they don't want to practice mathematics. It's like that, but don't do that. Okay, we have to be ready. Okay, we have to be ready. We have to prepare ourselves for these studies. Okay, for your future. You are preparing yourself for your future, isn't it? You are going to next class, again next year another class, senior classes you'll go, then you'll suffer that time. You'll have problem that time. You'll face problems that time. Okay, so not to face problems, you have to be ready now only, isn't it? Now you are in class 4, new class. You're excited, isn't it? You all are excited, I hope. New class. So today we'll do sorry, I forgot to introduce because there are some new students also. So I am Miss Prakriti Pradhan. Okay, I teach mathematics till class 5 from 3 to 5. Okay, so you know, those who were old students in class 3, you know I used to teach class 3B, mathematics in class 3B. 3A Miss Uma used to take, isn't it? So, but in class 4 and 5, both the sections I teach. Okay, so for the time being, we'll do revisions. Okay, and one more thing I have to tell you is, from this year, I'm not going to give the answers. I used to give answers, isn't it? After 1 week, I used to give the answers, but from this year, I'm going to check your answers. So you all have to, if I give like tomorrow offline, that time I have to give you homeworks, isn't it? That time, I'll give you homework, but after completing your homework, you all have to send it in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, I'll check each and every student's work. I'm going to check it because last year I gave the answers because of the pandemic, but now 1 whole year has passed, and I heard some of the students are not doing homeworks. Okay, they are not listening to parents also, and when I send the answers, that time they'll copy everything. Okay, so this year I'm not going to do that. You have to send the answers. Answers means the work. You start your math copy. Okay, you buy the copy from the market or from here you will buy, I don't know. Then I'm talking about next week, not now. Okay, when you get your books and copies, that time you start writing in your copies. Okay, and this is the way you have to write here. This one is drawn already in your copy. This rough column is a very important thing in mathematics. So whether you need or not this rough, okay, but you have to draw rough column, and here you have to write the date, and this side your class, okay, and this mathematics, okay. When you start coming to your school, physical presence, that means then that time you don't have to write class 4 there, okay. That time it will be homework or classwork, like that you will write. And after mathematics also you don't have to write. That time you will be writing exercise numbers, okay, exercise 1E, 1D, like that you will write, okay. Now today we'll do some revision. Today which one you want to do? First chapter we did large number, isn't it, in class 3, large number. We did till 4 digit only in class 3, but here till lakh we have to do, okay. So we'll do that next week, but today just revise like what you used to write. Just think about it. We did in large numbers, we did in large numbers. In large numbers, you did till 4 digit. Like if it is 5, 0, 6, any 3, like that, you did till here, isn't it? So, and you know the places also. How many places here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. You learnt till 4 places. Okay. So, it was ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands. You did till there. Okay. And according to that chart, you wrote in numbers also, you wrote in words also. Like 5 is in thousands place, so you wrote 5,000 in words, 5,000, like this, 5,000, okay, 5,000, and there is no number here in 100, you don't have to write that. So 5,063, this is 63. 63, okay. So remember this 1000, because after that you'll be having 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh in class 4, okay, which I'll teach you in next class, that is next week when you'll have your books and copies, okay. But why I am telling you to write in your copy, because suddenly if your school starts, you will be prepared with your copies, okay. And when you are sending your answers, that time whatever answers or work you have done in copy, take picture, take photo, then send it to my personal WhatsApp number, okay. Then I'll check it and send it back to you, each and every student, I mean, okay. So this one you did in class 3, 5,063, like this you wrote, okay. And another thing you learnt is, this is number 1, another thing you learnt is this number, how to expand, how to write in short form, you learned that also, isn't it? So same number 5, place value, that also you learnt, isn't it? Place value, 5 is in which place? That is place. Remember the difference. In spite of being told so many times, there is a difference between place and place values. You keep on writing place. If I asked, not you only, not only class 3, even class 4, 5, so many times I have told them, place is different, place value is different. Place is where the number is, like here. If I ask the place of 5, where is 5? Okay? If I am asking place, that means where is that 5? Where is it situated? That is the question, okay? So you will say 5 is in thousands place, 1000 is the answer. But if I asked you value, place value, means you have to write this number also, 1000 but 5 also you have to write, 5,000. Okay, or another way is write 5 and the other number, write it as 0, 30, 1, 2, 3. So 5 and 30 means 5,000 only. So it's like that, okay. And I'll tell you the difference between this place and place value. This is the perfect example, 0. 0, if I asked place of 0, place will be hundreds place. So you'll write 100, 100, okay. You'll write like that. But if I asked what is the place value of 0, then it will be 0 only value, because 0 into anything is 0. Okay, so 0. That is the difference. If I asked what is the place of 0, it will be hundreds. 100, 100. But if I asked what is the place value of 0, then it will be just 0. So please keep this in mind. Many students have made this mistake. Okay, many students have made this mistake. Listen to the question or read the question properly. Like, what is the place? Place means different. What is the place value? That is different. Okay. I am talking about, I am doing revision of class 3, which you have sat for that class 3's exam also, isn't it? And you passed, all of you passed. So you know all these. Okay. So I am just doing recapitulation. Okay. Recap of last year. So this one. Then expanded form I was going to show you. So expanded form means nothing but that addition of place values. So place value, 5's place value will be 5,000. Just now we discussed. Then plus 0 plus 6, 60 plus 3. Okay. So this is the expanded form, and short form is the question itself. Okay. And very important thing, when, not yours only, class 4, 5's also. I saw when I was checking your papers, the mistakes I found is when the digits are given, you should know the difference between digits and number. Digits means there will be comma after each number. That means one digit. Like this number is made up of 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. 5 means just 5. 0 means nothing. 6 means just 6. 3 means 3. Like if we are talking about chalk, it will be like that. 3 chalks, 6 chalks, 0, 5 chalks, like that. Okay. But if there is comma after each digit, if there is comma, then only. Okay. So these are the digits. But when you cancel this comma, okay, delete, then it will become a number 5063. It will become a 4-digit number. Okay, so what I was going to tell you was about that how to make a number smaller and larger number, that I was about to tell you, but I think I'll tell you this next week only. Okay, till this much I am doing. So please keep on practicing mathematics. Don't stop. Okay, thank you.